All right, so in class we were talking about the relationship between addition and subtraction and the patterns within that. So I've come up with a real world example of how we can take something very simple and I can show you um, the connection of addition with multiplication and then subtraction with division. In this problem, I want you to start by thinking how can we help Miss Sepulveda organize and arrange her Crayola washable markers. As you know, I love working with washable markers because they can get anywhere and we don't have to really worry about cleaning up the mess. So I'm going to ask that you help me with that today. So here we go. I have a box of markers and then the individual because we know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in that box. Now, in this one, our problem is Miss Sepulveda found that she had 6 packs of Crayola washable markers that she could share with her students for the activity. So these are the brand new boxes that I found. Box 1, Box 2, Box 3, Box 4, Box 5, and Box 6. We then need to figure out, so Miss Sepulveda needs to figure out how many markers that she has in total. What can I do? So again, we have those 6 boxes. So here's the thing. Did you say that we should add? The first thing that we have is we took them out of the box. We have 8 markers laid out, and we have 6 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have seen that there's 8 plus 8 plus another 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 8. It doesn't matter if the addition sign is here or here. Not really. Okay. So what I just said, we have it in a sentence, a numerical sentence. It's right here below. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 48. We can count using the markers. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. And you have that number 48. So when I was counting, did anybody see the pattern? Okay, I think you got it. 8 times 1, 8 times 1 again, 8 times 1 again, 8 times 1 again, 8 times 1, 8 times 1. And we say that because there's 8 in one group. If we were to talk about these two, it's 8 times 2 because there's 2 groups, so it'd be 16. 8 times 3, which is these 3 groups, is equal to 24, like our multiplication facts. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 would be 8 times 4 is equal to 32. We have 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 8 times 5, which is 40. And then we have 8 times 6, which is 48, right? Because you said we should multiply. As a review, we can agree that 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 48, and that 8 times 6 is 48. They do have something in common, correct? So now let's look at it the other way around. Now, you know I like to have a mess in the classroom. I call it organized chaos. Here we go. So what happens when we're all done using them and we need to put them back together? So we have all these and we have agreed that it's 48 markers in total. Now I want you to think about what we just learned and think about how we're working on it now. So we have said that there are 48 markers in total. And now, did you say we can subtract, right? We have the original 48. We're taking these 8 away because we're putting them in the middle box. We're taking these 8 away and putting them in a second box. Taking these 8, putting them in another box. Taking these 8, putting them in another box. These 8, putting them in another box. And these 8, putting them in another box. So we have that in a number sentence. 48 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 is a 0. We can check this with the real markers and we'll see that there are no markers left over. Ha ha ha, right? Wow, did you say we can divide? Right, we're going to divide them into groups. We know that there needs to be 8 markers in each box. So we're going to divide them by sections of 8. So we have one group here, 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 and one group here. So that has 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. So we have 6 groups in total. So as a little review, yes, these are all fact families, but can you see how addition and multiplication are related and connected? Can you see how subtraction and division are related and connected as well? So my big hint for you is don't think of a big and difficult concept like multiplication and division because that usually tends to scare people. For example, that happened to me. When somebody would say multiplication division, it would freak me out a little bit. Now I want you to just train yourself to think of it different. Think repeated addition when you're thinking of multiplication, and think of repeated subtraction when you're thinking about division. And it'll ease your brain a little bit and it'll help you understand those concepts. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me. This is just a reminder and review for you.